The lower transmission and rear wheels have 5 adjustment settings. This also affects the adjustment of the parking brake. The parking brake is fitted with a stem. The stem is reversed one way or the other, suiting forward or rearward adjustment settings on the rear wheels and lower transmission. Tighten the 2 nuts on the parking brake, ensuring that the parking brake rotates freely. Fit the parking brake stem to the parking brake clamp. Adjust the required setting on the lower transmission. Fit the lock screw. Fit the wheel and rotate the parking brake to a point where it just touches the tyre freely. Rotate the parking brake back away from the tyre about 5 degrees. Push on the stem till the parking brake just touches the tyre, then tighten the screws. This will give a suitable setting for the parking brake. Reverse the parking brake stem for all necessary settings to the rearward.